Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can do hard reset or factory data reset on your phone Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. First, go to the settings and click on data management and click on reset. Click on reset and click on factory data reset and click on reset here and give your pattern for authentication and click on delete all. Click on delete all. Here everything will be removed from your device and just you have to wait from few seconds to few minutes. It will take a lot of time depending upon how you used your phone. So here I skipped the waiting time, and yes, your phone has loaded now and you can set your phone like a fresh one. Just follow the on-screen instructions and do the settings. I skip wherever possible. For example, setting up a pattern or face unlock here itself I don't need, so I just skip those steps and I enter into other steps in advance, and later I will set them after entering into my phone. I can easily set. We have also uploaded several videos of how to set pattern, how to set fingerprint, how to set face unlock, etc. in our channel. Just check out them. And here, yes, everything is to be finished and getting your phone ready. Yes, please wait. Get recommended apps and it'll be just loading. Just click OK, got, and click skip wherever possible. Here also I have skipped and click on finish. Yes, your phone is ready to use and you can set later settings here itself. In this way you can easily do hard reset or factory data reset in case you needed to do it, because suppose if you want to sell your phone to another person, you need hard reset. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.